The water, I wash the police. I wash the police car dog. Water, I wash this bumper cloth out of tree, my dog. Look up the road, dog. Alright, no. Bunch of criminal there, man.
Alright, so we're live. Rachel and I just left him some rain catch us on the road. But we're gonna, yep, that's the lightning. We're gonna hand over to Rachel while I drive. Whoops.
We're not in the storm chaser vehicle.
This is not the storm chaser vehicle. Oh my god, look at the water on the road already. And it's really not the storm chaser vehicle.
This is what happens when you drive an Audi A4 as opposed to a Toyota Prado.
It's not the water on the road already. And this thing not really supposed to be constant until... Is that music for the video? And this really shouldn't be touching us until like Monday, Tuesday. Or like Monday evening. I hate when that happens. To all our people joining us, because Rachel is not. Hi Cheryl! Yep, this is Kingston. Rachel just never Facebook Live before.
You have a Facebook Live before?
No, this is my first time. There Rachel is. DJ Smoke in the building. We fly out today. That's what we should do, yes. Tanya Taylor. Hi, Tanya. Donald Oliver. Tanya, look what you're missing. Kidding, you're not missing anything. For the hungry belly people out there, dim sum is open today. Patrice. Yes, the rain is crazy. And the lightning. And it's so, I mean, the amount of water on the road already, and it just started. That's kind of crazy. Like, look at all of that water already. We're gonna stay safe, Daniel. No worries. Where is this person going?
Does he see the green light? Does he see that he has a stoplight?
He doesn't see that he has.
Mercy.
Okay, so Waterloo is like
Where he's driving from it, please.
Waterloo Road is like a little river right now. Hazard light. All of that is like a river already. So actually we're driving on the right hand.
Sorry.
Rachel is afraid.
I thought it was like a rock under the car.
A rock under the car. That's true. If he stops, his car probably will shut off. So we're on the right hand side of Waterloo Road because there is not only potholes but it's a lot of
Here's a bike in the rain.
been on your bike in the rain? So, yeah, it's a lot of lightning. I'm just so amazed at the amount of water that came down on the road in such a short space of time.
In about 15 minutes.
Yes, Rachel, I have mercy. Yes, Patrice. Hi, Rachel. Oh no, but we definitely need the storm chaser vehicle. Alright,
Yep.
Okay, up the river.
Up the river for real.
Up the river, yep. All of that is water. All of that is water. That's just water. Oak Road doesn't look pretty already. Rachel, this is not a cool idea to come out for dim sum.
It was your idea though.
Green light, we're just gonna truck it through. Jesus. This is crazy.
I won't even tell you.
Horatio, where are my driving tips right now? No, Donald, we're not stopping for ice cream. Why? We get a red light. Jano. See, Hope Road really looks like a river. Hi, Sergeant.
You're not wearing seatbelts?
Thanks, Simone. No. Alright, green light. What? You can switch milk, so. Turn, do turn.
Member of Parliament?
Okay. Alright, maybe you guys want to be in my lane too. So this is the 2 lanes going up Oak Road. As you can see, they're coming down in the 2 lanes. I thought that was an answer. Here and wow is right. Jody, hey searching. Everybody's trying to come down in the middle of Hope River. So guys, if you're on the road, please be very, very, very careful. But the road is
Power
really...
being turned off at 6 o'clock.
Oh, thanks for that update, Rachel. Like, didn't the rain just start?
It literally just started.
Like within like 20 minutes? Oh god, where is bicycle man going? In the rain. Welcome to Jamaica, guys, and they're laughing and having fun. Tanis just joined us. Hi, Tanis.
Look at the water over here coming off. Already. In like 15 minutes, dude. How is this possible?
Yeah. Hi, Tanisha. So we're trekking up Hope River, aka Hope Road. No, look at this other cyclist. Tell me that Jamaican people not crazy. Where is he going? Jano. Okay. Who does take him for getting his activity in for the day? Who am I? JJ, what's up? Yes, Tanya, dim sum was good. Okay, so this part of the river not so bad, aka road. By Friday, it's not too bad. It's not, the water up here is not as bad as it was by Devon House and Waterloo Road. So yeah, I hope you all are safe for Mathew and stocked up and all of those things. Thanks, Tanis. We will drive safely and we're gonna sign out now. Everyone watching,
Bye.
just stay safe. When the Scullies just joined, you guys are like late on the stream, man. I think like it's coming back down. Alright, gonna keep you guys updated later. Yes, Tanya, we're driving and streaming. Driving. Guys, don't drive and stream, not cool. Bye.
Good afternoon,
Jamaicans. I want us to take this hurricane threat seriously and focus on our safety and security. An ounce of preparation saves a pound of recovery. Better safe than sorry. With expected winds in excess of 120 miles per hour and significant rainfall, this is potentially a very destructive hurricane. The system has already done damage to the Eastern Caribbean, and Jamaica must be prepared for its arrival. Currently, the forecast says that Hurricane Mathew will have a significant impact, especially on eastern and central parishes. The government has placed the nation on high alert. The national disaster mechanisms have all been activated. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Jamaica Fire Brigade, and the Jamaica Defense Force are all ready to assist where necessary. Our disaster preparedness committees have had several meetings to determine the best way to deal with this dangerous weather event. Shelters are already open and manned, and telephone numbers for parish disaster managers have been publicized. Relief supplies and heavy equipment have also already been pre-positioned across the island, especially in areas prone to flooding and land slippage. We have had the assurance by all our emergency agencies that they are mobilized and ready to respond. The media is playing its role in keeping the nation informed, and the government is ensuring information is available on a timely basis. Today I traveled across the island to see for myself the levels of preparation and the work being done by government agencies, the private sector, voluntary agencies, the church, and citizens. Given our budgetary situation and our resource constraints, I am encouraged by the level of preparation and effort from what I have observed. But as always, there is still more to be done to get the nation ready. I take this opportunity to commend those in the private sector and to encourage others to come on board to join with the government in disaster preparedness and national recovery. In this time of impending disaster, if you are able to safely and in consultation with your local authorities, clear a drain or clear garbage from a waterway, do it. If you have equipment that can help to secure your community, please use them. Given the expected intensity of the hurricane, focus on securing your roofs, cutting down trees which could fall on your home, protect your glass windows and doors, make sure you have a week's supply of water, at least 10 gallons per person. Make sure you have supplies of non-perishable food items, a first aid kit, batteries, and fully charge your cell phones. Secure important documents, but above all else, follow the directions given by the Met Office and ODPEM, particularly evacuation orders. For people living on the eastern end of the island, especially in low-lying or flood-prone areas, the government encourages you to be proactive and relocate. Each and every one of us can make a difference. Look out for those in your community who are vulnerable: pregnant women, children, the disabled, the aged and infirm. Please provide them with whatever help you can. We must each do our part to ensure they are safe. The government will do its part, but each Jamaican must exercise personal responsibility. This is important before, during, and after the hurricane. We must all work together to ensure that damage to property and loss of life is avoided. While we cannot determine the course of this potentially destructive hurricane, we can determine how we prepare and recover from it. I want it to be clearly understood by all Jamaicans that the government has placed the security forces on high alert and will do all that is necessary to maintain law and order in our communities. We will not allow this impending hurricane to create any opportunity for crime. Now is the time for the entire Jamaican family to come together in a spirit of unity, hope, and community, and once again demonstrate our resilience as a nation. This weather event is an opportunity for us to show the true Jamaican spirit that despite everything, out of many adversities, we will overcome as one people. To members of the Jamaican diaspora, our international partners and friends, you can contact our embassies, high commissions, and consulates around the world to get up-to-date information on the situation on the ground in Jamaica and to coordinate any relief effort. There is no doubt that this impending weather event will negatively impact our economy. However, the government is determined not to let the hurricane derail our economic programs. The strategy and focus of the government will be on speedy recovery. This means that we will be efficient and transparent in the management and allocation of all resources dedicated to the recovery process. We have done our work by preparing as best as we can. By our faith, we pray for our eternal Father to guard our land and protect us with his mighty hand. May God bless you, and may God protect Jamaica.